Robert F. Henry was the first African-American city engineer for the city of St. Louis. A lot of people didn't know that history. He was the first city engineer for the city of St. Louis. He was also a graduate from the master's program here at Washington University, the same program that I participated in. So there was a lot of reasons for me to name it after Robert F. Henry. But more importantly, education is very important and crucial to the success of our great nation. If we are going to continue to be the nation that we were once and continue to be a great nation in the future, education is very important and key. And what better place to make sure that we have the future leaders of our great nation to be educated than here at Washington University. Now, I have an undergraduate degree in architectural engineering, a degree in environmental design, an MBA in finance, and a master's in engineering in the construction management field from Washington University. And I can tell you that there's no way my company would have reached the heights that we have. I've been very blessed and successful in landing and securing national recognition. We have offices in 4 different cities, but it's the education that I received here at Washington University that has enabled me to be comfortable and confident enough to go out and make these gains and strides. I employ 75 employees. And so when you see the Kwame Building Group name, don't look at the Kwame Building Group and see that it's a minority firm led by Tony. No, what I want you to take away from that is the Kwame Building Group is a firm that's led by a Washington University alum in the construction management field. So he was trained by the best, and I like to think that we're the best. But more importantly, you know, this great nation is really going to depend on the future of these young people. I've just been excited every time I meet some of the young people here of all the things that you guys are accomplishing, your great work. It's been very impressive to watch and to recognize. But the last thing I want to leave you with is that, you know, we want to make sure that the doors of Washington University are open to any and every individual that has the talent, the ability, the will to become a great educated person. And these scholarships enable those people who do not have that opportunity to participate and be a part of this great institution. We are not governed by our environment. A lot of people like to say that you're a product of your environment, you're a product of your environment. Well, as an African-American kid who grew up in public housing, who went to public schools and so forth, I don't believe that. You're not a product of your environment. You're a product of your expectation. And here at Washington University, we have great expectations of you. I want to make sure that anybody that wants an education, to the best of my ability, can afford to have that education from this institution. And I expect for every one of you, when you leave here with this great education, that you come back and you give back to this institution to ensure that you pay it forward and allow some other young people to have the same opportunity that you have. Thank you very much, and I appreciate being here.